everyone, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video. I know I say that all the time, but truly this one I'm very excited for because this may be one of the easiest updos ever. I get a lot of messages from all of you about how you wear these updos to prom, weddings, school, even work. So I was inspired to share an updo that's practical and versatile for any event, depending how you style it. I also wanted to share how I prepped my hair to get this soft, voluminous look, which is my go-to for every day, and it makes a great base for an updo. All right, let's get started. So before we jump into it, I am so excited because today's video is sponsored by Voir Haircare. Now, this is a truly inspiring company that I really wanted to share with you because it was created by self-made women just like you and I. So that'd be fun to prep my hair with a few of my faves. So let's jump into it. So I just washed my hair and I let it air dry a little bit while I did my makeup. And I'm first going to go in with their soft styling foam. And this bottle is actually completely recyclable. How cool is that? So 2 pumps is all you need. Oh, this stuff smells so good. Rub it between my palms and I just like to work it from my ends up to my roots because this product gives my hair so much body and volume. You'll see. You can see how much natural texture it brings out in your hair. If I let my hair air dry, it just leaves me with these really soft, beautiful, beachy waves. But today I am going to blow dry my hair. So I'll do that real quickly and come right back. Oh man, I forgot how hot it gets when you blow dry your hair in the summer. Holy. But I just wanted to show you guys, look how much volume that added to my hair. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly curl my hair with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. All right, my hair is all curled, so I'm going to go in with their luxury hair oil. This is a personal favorite of mine, and this is their award winner. All right, so I just used about 2 pumps. Oh, but this is one of those products that I just can't help but smell before I use it. It's like citrus and vanilla. Oh, it's so good for summer. I love it. And then I just gently smooth it over my hair. Super lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it weighing down your hair. Just gives it this really nice shine, makes it look really healthy. And yeah, I reach for this almost every single day now. I love it. And then any excess, I always just rub into my hands. And then to add volume and texture to the updo, you guys already know my secret, but I'm going to go in with some dry shampoo. This is their invisible dry shampoo and conditioner. I just apply this to my roots and I mostly focus this around the crown of my head to help add extra volume. I really enjoy this dry shampoo. It really leaves my hair feeling fresh and voluminous. And you may have noticed, but this is a non-aerosol dry shampoo. And this is the first non-aerosol dry shampoo that I've used that actually comes with a pump, which is super helpful. All right, so those are my faves from Voir. And if you want to try out any of their products, they have shared a 15% off promo code for their website, which is awesome because I only shop with promo codes, but it's AlexG15. I will leave it down in the description below. Let me know if you end up picking out anything or if any of these products intrigue you. But my hair is prepped. Hopefully you found that helpful, and let's jump into the updo. Okay, all you need for this updo is 1 hair elastic. So first step, toss all of your hair back and just loosely gather it at the back of your head about mid-ear height. Next, pull out some small pieces to frame your face on both sides, and I just love the effortless appearance that this gives the look. And a simple way to add some more detail to this hairstyle is by letting go of the outside of your gathered section and then just twisting it towards the middle. Okay, get your elastic ready. I find a thicker band holds my hair best, and try to use one that wraps around your hair at least 3 times. Begin securing your hair into a ponytail, and we want to create a bun. So it's easy. Instead of pulling your hair all the way through on the last wrap, only pull it partially through, and this will create your bun. Then you want your ends to come out of the top, similar to this. Now let your ends hang off to the left side for now, and if you're going for a more effortless look, just pinch and pull your bun to loosen it up, giving it that lived-in appearance. Next, loosely gather your ends and just bring them across the top of your bun over your elastic to the right. And here you can play around with the shape to create the look you want. Next, you want to tuck your ends underneath your hair elastic. Now, you don't want to grab the part of the elastic that created the bun, but a piece of the elastic that first looped around your ponytail. I find it easiest to grab the elastic from underneath the bun. Now, pull your elastic out as much as you can, and you just want to pull your ends through the elastic. If they're short, this will be easy, and if they're long, it's a little bit trickier, but you can do it. And then once they're all the way through, you have yourself a bun. And then you can go ahead, play around with the shape by pinching and pulling the bun and inserting any bobby pins that you may need. Now, I was going for a daytime casual updo, so I left my ends out, but you could take some bobby pins and tuck them out of the way underneath your bun. Okay, here I was trying to show you what it'd look like without the ends, and I think it looks very chic. But that's it. That's how to recreate this easy everyday updo. So there we have it. What did you think? I really love this hairstyle, especially that it looks a lot more difficult than it actually is. It's hard to believe that it only takes one hair elastic and maybe a few bobby pins. But I'll post pictures of the final look over on my Instagram, so be sure to check it out. And if you do recreate this hairstyle, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreations and how you choose to style it. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts and if you're going to try it. But thanks again. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.